This is Hart. Here's the latest.
From Global's newsroom, I'm Katie Button. Storm Eunice is starting to have an effect on the country and is destroying cars, houses and trees, and going out is strongly ill-advised. A 20-year-old man is being arrested on suspicion of murder.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Kent Police Department. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, relating to Storm Eunice. Winds have reached over a record-breaking 185 miles an hour. Please, whatever you do, stay at home for your safety. If you are currently in a vehicle, pull over now and find the nearest building. If wind damages your home, or the building you are in, make a miniature shelter. Stay tuned for further updates.
$100 finish line. KO Cruiser. And the gear head up. Okay.
This is an emergency message from ITV. It is in your best interests to listen to this critical message. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency message from ITV. It is in your best interests to listen to this critical message. Important instructions will follow. It is known that Storm Eunice will reach record-breaking levels of wind. However, it has in fact worsened. On radio stations earlier today, the new emergency alert system was activated to warn civilians of the upcoming storm. But wind speed has now increased to over 200 miles an hour. Southeast England will be the worst affected. The counties in this area include Buckinghamshire East and West Sussex, Hampshire, the Isle of Wight, Kent, Oxfordshire, Berkshire and Surrey. The storm is now so powerful it is capable of forming Britain's first tornado, for a very long time. Here are the instructions to keep you, your loved ones and others safe. Stay inside at all costs. Get to the most secure part of your home. If you are currently in a vehicle, pull over now and find the nearest building. Most importantly, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned for further updates on this terrifying situation.
There you go.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United Kingdom government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. If you are seeing this message, you are in extreme danger. A tornado has formed in your area, which is so powerful, it falls into an entirely new category, EF6. It has the power to drill into the ground, and is an immediate threat to life. If you are seeing this message, evacuate now. Do not hesitate. Evacuate now. Refusing to evacuate is putting your life in jeopardy. Get into your cars and keep your radios on, as information will be transmitted as soon as it is received. Once again, if you haven't done so already, evacuate now.
has come to our attention that highly populated parts of the UK are crumbling. These include London, Birmingham, Manchester, Essex, Leeds and Sheffield. Buildings have fallen and people have been killed. The tornado that has recently formed has picked up buildings and people and tossed them like ragdolls. Stay at home. It is vital you do not step outside, not even into your garden. Some people have said online that the tornado will cease to exist within the next 30 minutes. We can confirm that this is not likely, as the tornado was way too powerful to suddenly disappear as quick as it started. Instead, it will most likely stop in 5 hours. Stay at home. Channel 4 and other channels will update you when new information comes in.
Okay, have you sent out the emergency alert? Yes, boss. Good. Let's get the hell out of here before... What the hell's happening? I think it's here, sir. Ah! Oh, shit!